My favorite type of food is Italian food. I think I was meant to be born in Italy. Maybe in my past life I was. Just kidding. So in today's video we are going to make some creamy Tuscan chicken. And it is delicious and easy to make. So let's go spice things up. The first thing we're gonna do is get a little bit of olive oil. And this is infused olive oil in sun-dried tomatoes. This is homemade. And if you want to know how to make it, I will link a video below. Anyways, I'm just going to use the infused olive oil to cook the chicken in. Just get the oil all over. And now I'm going to get some chicken breasts and start cooking them in the olive oil. Now I'm going to season the chicken with a little bit of crushed pepper and salt and Italian seasoning. And I'm going to just cook the chicken until it is golden brown. And chicken breasts cook up nicely. They're kind of fast, but you can always use chicken thighs if you prefer. And I'm going to season the other side as well. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking, we're going to cook up some pasta. I'm just going to cook up some spaghetti noodles. You can cook up some linguine or Alfredo, any kind of pasta you want. I happen to have on hand spaghetti, so that's what I'm going to use up. But you'll just want to cook this up, just like the package says, while your chicken is cooking. Once your chicken is a nice golden brown color and cooked all the way through, we're just going to take it out and set it aside. So now we're going to take about 4 garlic cloves and just mince it right in the pan. And of course, garlic is the key to any Italian recipe. And then about 1/2 cup of dried white wine. If you don't want to use wine, you can always use chicken broth. And I just like to stir all that in together because the nice chicken drippings also give it a good flavor. And about 1 cup of whipping cream. And about 1/2 cup to a cup of Parmesan, depending on how cheesy you like it. I like it nice and rich and cheesy. And then stir that until the cheese melts. Once the cheese is almost melted, I'm going to add some spinach. This is just spinach that I got from my garden and I froze. And the nice thing about frozen spinach is it breaks easily. So you don't even have to cut it up, you can break it. But you can always, of course, use fresh spinach. And then sun-dried tomatoes, however many you want. And then stir all your ingredients together. Okay, once the cheese is all melted and the spinach is cooked through, now I'm going to add my chicken breasts back into the sauce. And then you can kind of stir it a little bit, make sure the sauce gets all over the chicken. And I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Just to really soak the juices into the chicken. Okay, so it has been cooking for about 5 minutes. The chicken is heated all the way through. The sauce has thickened, and it is done. Oh man, guys, I think I'm starving right now. Mainly because this is so good and it smells amazing. So let's give it a try. This is so rich and full of flavor. It is amazing. I hope you guys go home and give it a try. And remember, if you have any questions, just comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.